Pound Aussie has also joined the party of getting things messy, right? So we have the weekly chart, bullish trend, daily chart, bearish trend, 4-hour chart, bullish trend, 1-hour chart is a weaker bull, right? So what we have over here, we just trade as it is. And the reason for this to go a bit haywire is because Pound Aussie, by default, the volatility is super, super high. And the way we analyze the chart, and call it a buy zone, sell zone, students would know we're very precise about it. And that is how we can have the framework over here, the APE, analyze, plan, execute right now, and put it over here so that even my students get reminded what's really important. First step, analyze what is the trend. Is the trend bullish or is the trend bearish, right? So then you start to plan your analysis. That would be a great help, right? At least your profit potential will be bigger. And when the trend is, continue its movement, its trend trading situation, or is following the trend situation, then you could potentially earn more profits in that case, right? So on the weekly chart, what we have over here, a retest of support will help me to engage with buying opportunity 1.8928, right? That's a level that we could wait 1-2 weeks later to talk about it. Daily chart, huge support resistance zone, which is amazing because it gives huge potential. So if any buying opportunity, if I want to base off the daily chart analysis, my target will be 1.9957. That gives me a run of 800 pips. Imagine you engage a trade, hit one of the important critical level in this case, right? It will be 1.9350, right? And it's still showing a strong bullish trend. When the candlesticks close, I can shift my stops to protect the entry and just let it run and just ignore this trade, right? How good is that, right? Trading should be this way, right? For our chart, what we have over here, none of these has already triggered, right? The shark and crab pattern is still as good as new, right? You could wait for a retest on the support. I could always pull this higher just to let it trigger the support, right? Alert, right? So then we will wait for our magic candle confirmation to engage for a buying opportunity. 1-hour chart, other ways I'll find that is a pivot way. 1-hour chart, although this is an extended crab pattern, it works as well. I'm waiting for a confirmation that happened at 1.9073 over here for a buying opportunity, right? So if you want to learn this skill set on how to earn additional income, how to spot trend, how to know whether this is normal move or this is a wrong move or trend is going to make changes, want to learn from someone that's been doing this for more than 20 years, drop me a DM.